Hey, good morning, students. It's Friday. We're going to continue learning expanding on what we learned yesterday. We simplified simple radicals today, and today we're going to expand on that a little bit, simplifying radicals that have a number in front of them. This reads 8 times the square root of 50. So we're going to start out by simplifying the square root of 50, and then we're going to combine it with that 8 that's already there. So I'm going to start out here by doing a prime factorization of 50. 50 can be broken down into 2 times 25. And I'd like to stop here and give a shout out to Aaliyah for winning on the Sigma Prime game tournament yesterday afternoon on her prime factorizations. So she should be very good at breaking these numbers down into factor trees. We can continue breaking that 25 down into 5 times 5. And that is the prime factorization of 50. 2 times 5 times 5. So I'm just going to rewrite this problem as 8 radical sign 2 times 5 times 5. Here I have 5 times 5, which is 25. The square root of 25 is 5, so I'm going to pull that 5 out front, and I'm going to take it times the 8 that's already there. Put my radical sign, and there'll be a 2 left underneath the radical sign. 5 times 8 is 40, so 40 square roots of 2 should be my answer for this problem. Check answer, and we should get a smiley face. Okay, let's try one more problem, and then I'll let you go to Khan Academy and do this lesson, Simplify Radicals 2. Here we have 2 times the square root of 55. I'm going to break 55 down using my prime factorization as 5 times 11. Look, we have a prime and a prime. We can't break that down any further, and there's nothing we can pull out from underneath that radical sign. So in this case, the answer is just going to be what it is, 2 times the square root of 55. Check answer. Let's try one more, see if this one we can break down any further. 3 times the square root of 52. Make our factor tree 52. $52 can be broken down into 2 times, what are you thinking, Vicky? 2 times what? 2 times 26. Brandon, what can 26 be broken down into? 2 times 13. Here we go. 3, I'm going to rewrite 52 as the product of 2 times 2 times 13. 2 times 2 times 13. Extend that radical sign out a little bit. Okay, here I have 2 times 2. The square root of 4 is 2, so I'm going to pull that out front. Take it times that 3 that's already there. And I have 3 left under the radical sign. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 square roots of 3. And let's check that answer out. 6 square roots of 3. And I got a little messy there with my writing. Forgot to put my 1. Should be 6 square roots of 13. Okay, so I'd like you to go ahead to Khan Academy, simplify these radical expressions a little bit harder than the ones we worked on yesterday. Get 5 correct in a row. After you get 5 correct in a row, I'd like you to continue working on your mission math for the rest of the period. If you need any help, we'll be glad to help you. Ask us for help, and have a great weekend.